Now that we have applied the migration, let's see what was the other table that got created. We have a table which is __ EF migration history. If I do select star, you can see we have the migration name that was applied. Right here we have the migration name that was applied as well as the .NET Core version. Main thing to notice here is the migration ID. This is how Entity Framework Core will track which migrations have been applied on the database. That way, if we add a new migration, it will not apply the migration that has already been applied on the database, and it will automatically apply only the migrations that have not been pushed to the database. If you expand the data access here, in migration, we have two files. We have one migration, and next we have the application DB context model snapshot. Here it keeps a snapshot of what has been created in database. That way, when we add a migration, it knows that, hey, in database, these are the columns. And if a new column is added in, let's say, the book model, it will know that the column does not exist in database based on the snapshot, and then it will add that in the new migration. That is how EF Core will track all the changes that are there between the current code and the database, what it needs to add in the migration, and what it needs to apply to the database. Now, if this is too much, do not worry. When we practice this, we add more migration, we update more database, everything will make much more sense. And let me do more of that from the next video.